Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, my name remains New Coach Please, and all I talk about in this platform is business tips and money making updates. So welcome back my old subscribers and my new subscribers. So at the end of this tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Roblox mining, because we're going to be talking about everything about Roblox mining, from the creation of the wallet and how you can withdraw. Obviously this platform, it's making wave right now because it mines just for 2 hours, and once you've done mining you can either withdraw or you let it accumulate more. It's all your choice. So I'm going to be showing you how to download the wallet so that you can withdraw to the wallet. So you can be able to withdraw to the wallet. I will show you everything you need to know about this platform. All right, so all you're going to be doing is you're going to be sitting down to the end of this tutorial, because at the end of this tutorial there's something very important I want to point out from this platform. Obviously you really need to hear it. So at the end of this tutorial, I'm actually going to be showing you something very important you need to know about this platform. Okay, so it's very important you sit to the end of the tutorial. So if you've not joined any of my groups, any of my WhatsApp group, Telegram group, I'm going to be pinning them on the description of this video. Please go ahead and click then join, because obviously you're going to be seeing a lot of proofs, a lot of screenshots, a lot of people who really want to do the things you want to do to make money, business tips, sharing ideas. So you obviously would like to be in the group. So of course you can relate to me very easily from the group. So it's very important you join the groups. Now, one of the important advices I usually give my subscribers, I do tell them in any of the updates I drop here, make sure you go ahead and make your research properly before you put in your time or your money. It is very important, because most people will end up thinking that maybe the effort I put into a particular update, when they don't put that same effort, they will definitely not get the result I get. So that is very important reason you should go ahead and do your research properly before you venture in any tutorial or in any updates at all. And another thing is, by the end of this tutorial, I would like you to go ahead and drop your question on the comment section, because I'm going to be right here to answer all your questions immediately. Okay, drop all your questions on the comment section. If you think you can do this platform, if you think there's anything you don't really get after this tutorial, please go ahead and drop it on the comment section, and do not forget to join the group, because I'm going to be dropping the link on the description of this video. Now this platform is robust mining platform. I'm going to be giving the review, my own review about this platform, because obviously as of yesterday I started mining this platform. When I when I went through the platform and I actually saw that you can do your withdrawal the moment the first mining is over. I was like, wow. And obviously I did my first withdrawal, and I was able to create my wallet before I did, and I was able to create my own wallet from this platform. Now, in this crypto project, um, while I was on this platform, I already had an information that they've listed. Sorry, they are having, they are listing at the point of 0.0009 cents. Okay, so this is a very wonderful project. All right, that's said to have been listed on Solano and NC wallet. So I'm going to be showing you how you can download your AC wallet, connect it to this platform, then of course start withdrawing your minings when you're done. Then the minings gets completed every 2 hours. Every 2 hours you can go ahead and come over to this place and claim your mines. Okay, now as of the time I was making this video, this token is currently trading at, now as of the time I was making this video, this token is currently trading in the market with the price listing of 0.09 cents. Now from my own investigation, this platform has been listed in Solano network, and it's already been trading. So you obviously have to get to work, start accumulating the point, start accumulating the tokens. Then the very much important thing is that the moment you accumulate, you can go ahead and do your withdrawals. Okay, now that is all about this platform. Now, two ways. One of the ways you need to two ways you actually have to withdraw from this platform or accumulate your points is: one, make sure you're coming over to turn on your mining icon every 2 hours, obviously, and that's what I do. Probably once as time goes on, I could just find out maybe it will be over 2 hours, but for now, I usually come back over after 2 hours to on my mining. Then once you come and claim it, if you want to withdraw, you can go ahead and do your withdrawal. All right, they have given you access to that. Now, the second way you can accumulate a token from this platform is inviting your family and friends to this platform. The moment they register, you go ahead and accumulate a lot of coins, a lot of tokens for withdrawals. All right, now, all you have to do is always check on this platform. Like I said, every 2 hours, go ahead and check on this platform. Now, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw from this platform. Now, for withdrawing from this platform, you must have your NC wallet, okay, or your Solano. All right. Now, you can go ahead and create those stores on your own. Now let me click on the send icon. Once you I click on the send icon, this place, I have already had my own wallet. Now, in case you don't have your wallet, once you come over to this place, the two dash sign down here, click on it. Then come over to this place. You see where you see they will say create wallet. Tap on that place. You go ahead and create your wallet. All right, they will send you to the Play Store where you can download your wallet. The moment you download and register, please go ahead and register with the same email you used on the platform, so that it will easily link up. All right, once you are done downloading it, it's okay. You are done. The wallet is totally linked with this platform. Now, let me do a one-time withdrawal from this platform. All right, so I have 0.00285975 rocks, and let me go ahead and withdraw. Okay, let me go ahead and withdraw. Now, I've done my withdrawal right now. I'm sending it to the wallet. Okay, now look at it. Because I've already connected my wallet to this platform, I'm already my NCE and my NC wallet. I've already connected it to this platform. So see, the withdrawal is complete. It's complete already. Okay. So when I come over to this to the wallet, I will see my withdrawal just on the wallet. So the main important thing you should do is creating your own wallet. And once you create your wallet, you can always withdraw your money anytime, any day, anytime you want the money. All right. Now, very important. Now, I'm going to be answering you this question, which a lot of people have been asking based on this platform, whether it's legit or not. Now, based on my investigation, as it stands now, nobody has complained about this platform, maybe being scammed by this platform. I've not been scammed. I've already been doing my withdrawals since when I started this over 2 days, right? So I've been doing my withdrawals since I started. So there is nothing scam about this platform. Go ahead and register, start accumulating your points, invite people. You have your right to withdraw anytime. Now you can go ahead and withdraw anytime you want to withdraw. So there is absolutely nothing scam about this platform. They are real. Okay. So like I usually say in any of my tutorials, it is just for educational purpose. Now, before you go ahead and put in your time or your money, make sure you make your own research. right? My own effort is totally gonna be different with your own effort. So you cannot compare the results you have with the one I'm gonna have. So put in effort, invite people, then um you make sure you come back to start your tokens every 2 hours, right? Yes, that's all you have to do on this platform. So this is basically for educational purposes, nothing else, right? Do not forget to join the group. I'm going to drop the link on the description of this tutorial. Now, if you're finding this video very helpful and you think you want to tell people more about this project, please do go ahead and share this video, like, comment, so that the algorithm is going to take it to people who don't know this platform exists, so that they start making money too from this platform. I love you so much, and do not forget to click on the subscription button of this channel. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell, so that you always get my notification when I drop beautiful updates. Of course, I'm still going to be bringing you guys amazing updates. And don't forget to drop your question on the comment section. I'll be right here to answer you properly. I love you guys so much. Meet you sometime. Bye.